Murray caught at low level bridge. We've got another cod in the river. They're here. Woo! Woohoo! Alright guys, this is the Monday of the long weekend and we're out at Flat Rock today. Oh, better flick it over so I can cast. I'm just seeing how here goes. We're out of Fish River on the Saturday and it wasn't too bad. I will release that video in the next, by tonight probably, and this one will be during the week release. But yeah, it was a nice little start to the season. I didn't catch any, Zach didn't catch any, but Kelly did. You got a rainbow and a brown out of Fish River, so good signs. Anyway, I'm gonna keep fishing. It's only the start of the trip here today, and see if we can find anything. Phew. Okay. Come on guys. It's alright. If I lose him, I lose him. I'm not too fussed. I just finally have one on. It's a good. Good little fish. There's my first for the season. Alright, watch out. So I don't want to have to flick out the lure and get one of yours. Haha, he's landed.
Yeah. Got a mate?
Nah, he's only a little mate.
I don't got players.
There we go guys. On to Damiki.
Nice.
Yeah, be careful.
Help yourself.
There we go guys, on that Damiki disco. From the fishing shed guys, Kylie always produces. Beautiful, we're going to get the hooks out of him and let him go. Oh, alright guys, there we go. Need to be about close to 30 centimetres. Let's get a release on him. Oh jeez, getting a better spot. Oh, that way buddy. There he goes. He's just over here. He's going back out there. There he goes. You on the board. Alright, still only the one trout at the moment. Slowly heading back towards the car. It's been a bit slow again. Zacko did have another follower, but that was about it. So far only the one trout. So we're just trying to pinch another one, hopefully on the walk back. Yeah. Oh well, at least it's another video, and we're on the board. It's not just the one. Not just the one. We're not official, I mean. We got the one. Yeah, hopefully we can pinch another one back before the car. Have good patches. Alright guys, just about back at the car. Still no more at the moment, just had the one. So I'm on the board for trout season, and Zacko got a follower. I was about to take his lure and it didn't take it and didn't come back. So it's only been the little bit of action today. I say definitely second-hand water though, because it would have been fished in the morning. We're out in the late Arvo bite, so might have to come back out and do some morning bites to be first on the water, because sometimes with trout that spooks them. So, but it was good still to get one. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna call it quits now because we're just about back at the car. At least it was still a successful long weekend. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Phew.